Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. My name is Aikol Pakanti and we are now interviewing about what is most immoral act. Let's go.
Hello, sir. Can I interview what is your most immoral act?
My most immoral act is lesser than I was young. My immoral number one was to lie, yung pagpamakak. May basic and one of the mortal sins of human is to lie, pagpamakak. So, na ako immoral mo na greatest sins ako na iba. Maot so far no? And number two was being accused of theft, pagpangawat. I was sometimes wrongfully accused of being a thief, watan. But the fact is, sila they are so they are looking for someone to
Blame.
pass the blame, So para ma-excuse sila sa law. Mora na akong pinakakuan yun until now I carried it on. Uban niya kaya upang malicious things towards female or women. I sometimes did that. Think of malicious, provocative, something dirty. Yeah, for women. More lang ang train me, shall I say, my most immoral things which I do since I was young until now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for cooperation.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you.